Hey everybody. If you saw my previous videos, you know I went on a journey to become an AI certified consultant for customer service. Through that, there was a lot of different learnings I had to go through, but also more importantly, a lot of tasks that I had to complete. One of the fun ones that I enjoyed the most was coming up with the top 10 most common issues we see in customer service or in contact centers, and then finding ways AI could help us with those things. Um, to present this today, I actually went out and found a place where you can use AI to generate infographics, which is really cool. And I'll put that link somewhere in all of this. But originally, I just did it in Word, but I thought that didn't look so good to present. So I put it into this awesome infograph. So this is customer service AI. We all know AI is transforming customer service and automating tasks and personalizing experiences. So the top 10 issues we see in customer service that AI can help with. Number one is repetitive inquiries, right? Customers are always contacting us for the same common drivers. And I think this is a simple one. We've seen it before. Chatbots handle common questions. Uh, NLP understands complex queries. As we improve our chatbots, we can handle more common repetitive inquiries on a regular basis and eliminate them and focus on the more complex issues. The second issue, and these are in any order, they're just, the way they come together, long wait times. Right? Our customers don't want to wait to talk to our customer service agents. So some of the things that we can do and what we can implement is intelligent queuing systems. Making sure we're getting them to the right people at the right time. Make sure we can get them automated responses. Of course, self-service portals. All of this can be done with AI, and we can prompt it when we see long wait times coming up and direct them in different areas. Another one, number three here, is inconsistent service. We have humans handling these interactions on a regular basis, and some are better than others. So we sometimes see inconsistent service. AI analyzes interactions to identify patterns and train agents. So they'll be listening to the calls, they'll be watching the chats or the emails or the tickets and seeing where we're inconsistent and then help us make our agents get better. I know a lot of these sound very um, we heard of these before, but I think it's pretty neat when you put this all together. Complex issues. So we know about the common call drivers. What we're going to see as AI dives into the data, whether that's call data or note data, we're going to see that there's complex issues that our agents need help with. So knowledge bases with advanced search integration with internal systems. So when we hear that, when we hear certain issues, we can pop up knowledge base articles that'll help our agents and integrate them into our systems. Lack of personalization. So when customers call in, we treat everybody the same sometimes. And using AI, we can profile our customers a little bit better, provide personalized recommendations on past interactions or on products that they have. Sometimes we're trying to sell, cross sell, or recommend other solutions for customers. Having AI look into their account, understand, maybe what they have already, what kind of things we can offer them is really going to improve the personalization of the interaction. Repetitive explanations. So a lot of customers call in and we tell them the same answer. We give them the same answer each and every time, or they contact in, I should say. So we want to change the dynamic responses on context. Be proactive on issue identification. If customers are calling in multiple times or contacting us multiple times, let's change it up. Make sure that they're getting more information every time they're contacting us, and let's get that issue resolved. Sentiment analysis, right? So understanding how our customer feels when they text us or they call us or however they interact with us. That can change the way our agents are interacting with them. So AI can analyze their sentiment or their emotion and help our agents react to that, which is great. Agent training costs. So there is a big cost when we bring people on board, and we know there's usually a lot of turnover. So, or maybe not a lot, but there is some turnover, and that's increasing our costs. So if we can lower our agent training costs, is one way to save the bottom line within our company. So developing that AI-powered training simulations, automated coaching based on performance metrics. So there's a lot of different things from the training world we can do to help our agents and lower our cost. Inability to scale. So scalable AI systems handling call volumes, right? Or customer volumes, I guess. So, a lot of times we can't predict what we're going to be able to do. So we can use AI to handle different interactions that we weren't ready for. So whether that's looking for an outage and giving certain responses to our customers, or just following up with them, all of that we can do with AI. And then data analysis challenges. I mean, in most of the roles I've been in, we can't see the data until the next day, right? And then we have to sparse it ourselves and look for the information we need. But with AI, we can get real-time reporting. We get dashboards, automated insights from customer data. There's a lot of cool tools out there that not only tell us what the customer is seeing, but what kind of changes we can make based on what they're seeing. So again, putting this together, very basic, but a lot of fun. These are the top 10 things that we deal with in customer service and contact centers, and how AI can help us. And again, putting this infographic together was a lot of fun. So pick two chart is the one that helped me put this together, and you could change all of this stuff, and it's all free, at least initially. So it was a lot of fun to set up, and hopefully you found this helpful.